Hi Broncos, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to focus on finals. As many of you know, finals week is from May 19th through May 25th, and many of you might be wondering how to prepare and what to do. First, note that not all courses have final exams, so make sure to check with your professors. Second, there are no scheduled classes during finals week. And third, you have reading day on May 18th to focus on preparing for finals. Now, no matter if your classes are in person or online, consider the following questions. What material do I need to review for the exam? How much studying do I need to do to master the material? Do I study best alone or with a group? What time of day am I more focused? What do my current grades look like for each class? And what type of final will I have? Will it be short answer or multiple choice? You may want to refer back to your syllabus for topics to review and the grading policy for each course. You can also review your gradebook on Blackboard. This will allow you to glean where you are and possibly what grades you need to earn in the finals to pass the class. I know you might be wondering which studying methods are the best. Here are some studying tips for you. Ask questions and request help. Approach your professors with questions early on. Meet with your tutors and TAs. Also, studying with a friend or a group may reduce stress and increase your motivation to study. You might want to talk to your classmates that have mastered the material. Study smart. Determine which topics were the most easy to the most difficult for you to study accordingly, and make a plan and stick to it. Commit to studying at least an hour per class to focus on the final exam. Also, spend time studying for tests that matter the most. Keep in mind that not all final exams and papers are weighted the same. Moving on, here are some questions you may want to ask your professors before taking your finals online. How long will the exam be open for completion? Do I need to log on at a specific time? And will it be an open book exam? It's also important that if you run into issues when taking your final exam, immediately contact your professors to find a solution. Now let's talk about some things to avoid as finals approach. Avoid people who are already stressed. Don't cram study and pull all-night study sessions. Stay away from distractions such as your phone, social media, loud or crowded spaces. And don't procrastinate. Try completing every last bit of work. Instead, here are some tips to take appropriate care of your health. Exercise frequently and set aside breaks from studying and working. And eat healthy foods to keep you energized and focused. Also, try sticking to a regular sleeping schedule. And relax with friends often and participate in non-academic activities. And last but not least, don't stress. Be proactive and calm. That concludes our video. If you have questions, please email us at fyp@bcc.cuny.edu. Thank you all for watching and good luck on your finals.